Hi guys, this is Jatinder from TechWarm. Today I am going to show you few salient features of Nexus 5X phone made by LG. I have already reviewed this phone in my blog techwarm.com, but today I am going to show you basically 5 main features of LG Nexus 5X which will compel you to go in for this phone. LG Nexus 5X is made of plastic, but the plastic used on this phone is of very fine quality. It does not have any cheap substance used on this phone, and it looks very impressive with the kind of material used on this phone. The back cover is quite smooth, and because of refined quality plastic used on this phone, this phone is of lightweight and can be easily tucked in your pocket. On the back, rear camera is given, which has a little bit bulge, but that is not a big issue. And behind the rear camera is the fingerprint sensor. The Nexus branding and LG branding has been given here. It has been painted. Nexus has been painted and LG branding has also been painted. The significant feature of this phone is its fingerprint sensor, which has amazing speed and is very quick to launch. I have used other fingerprint sensor, but I am quite impressed with the fingerprint sensor capability of LG Nexus 5. I'll demonstrate you how fast it works. Now this is the phone which I have opened by putting my PIN number. Now I'll switch off the phone, and when I switch on the phone, I will open it with my fingerprint. I have registered this finger on this phone, and just by pressing it, it opens. Look how fast fingerprint sensor works on this phone. This is one of the major highlights of this phone. The other highlight of this phone is its display, which is of 5.2-inch IPS LLD display with full HD resolution. The images are crisp and you get a treat to watch your YouTube videos, your HD movies on this phone. This phone comes with 12.3 megapixel rear camera with f2.0 aperture. This phone does not have optical image stabilization, but it comes with 1.55 sensor and IR laser assisted autofocus. You can click very sharp images even in fading lights, and I have put some images on my blog which I have clicked with this phone. This phone has 5 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture for taking beautiful selfies. The other plus point of this phone is that this phone works on Marshmallow 6.0 OS, which is the latest operating system of Google and does not have any bloatwares. The other useful feature of this phone is that it comes with 2700 mAh embedded battery with DOS feature of Marshmallow. With DOS feature, it detects when your phone is not being used and take it to sleep mode to save the battery consumption. This phone is driven by Snapdragon 808 processor clocked at 1.8 gigahertz, and in our usage of this phone for playing games we have not noticed any heating issues, and you can play the games, even resourceful games, without any lag and stutter. This phone comes with 2 GB RAM and options of 16 GB or 32 GB. But we suggest that if you are a heavy user, you should go in for 32 GB. I have used this phone for quite some time, and this is a treat to use the phone and did not face any problem whatsoever on this phone. If you are a fan of stock Android, then this is the device you should look at. If you if you want to experience the true Android experience, you can consider LG Nexus 5X phone, which will be your companion for years to come. Thank you and bye bye.